Well, today is a short video day because this is one of those rare days where I'm actually stuck on one unit doing one repair, and I had to cancel a bunch of my little automotive ones because this is an emergency. Another one where it has the white shiny coat insulation that's leaking, and you don't repair or cut out a section, you replace the entire line. So here you see I'm feeding into new lines, and of course it's Mueller, and it's the old style, and I know the Mueller copper will not work, or will not leak. I think the white insulated copper made it about 4 years in this location, and before it started leaking. And in this entire building, this building was built, I think they said it was built back in the 80s. And they still have all the original HVAC units in this building in every one of the offices or warehouses. And they're all using Mueller copper. And every one of them is original and they haven't been replaced. This was the only latest addition in this building. And this white line sheath copper started leaking like all the isopolar does. And it's being replaced with Mueller. And now I know it will never leak within my lifetime. I'll be dead and gone before it ever has a problem. But that's what I'm doing today. I am being manual labor, and a long process. It'd been nice if my son was here to help me, but that was my choice. Leave him at the other job site. And fishing this stuff that loves this outer jacket, loves to stick to everything and snag. So I'm feeding it from one wall through to another wall. And so it's going out a ladder down here, coming inside here, feeding it through, going down the steps down here, and going up the ladder over there and pushing it or pulling it through. And so it's been this three-way little trip. And if you looked at my health meter today on how many steps and how many ladders and stair steps I've done today, you think I was in a marathon or something. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.